Hey guys, it's Coriel here with Twitchers Fishing, and I thought I would do a little four-part series here. This is going to be just very basic painting videos. I myself am a beginner, and I thought it would be kind of cool if I could come up with 4 or 5 different basic designs that anybody can do with limited paint. So the object of this is a different pattern every video. And we're going to limit it to 3 colors. So that doesn't include the base coat. The base coat can either be white or black. I would expect, obviously, most people have those 2 colors. And then again, because when you are first starting out, you are limited to what paints you do have in colors. So minus the base coat, and again, that can either be white or black, 3 colors. So this pattern that we're going to paint today, we're going to call My Bloody Valentine. Valentine's Day just passed, and it kind of got me thinking, what could we do with 3 colors that would work and would suit that name? So obviously, like I said, we are going to use titanium white as our base coat. Once my base coat is done, we're going to go over it with pearl white. And then so 1 color, we're going to use black. There's 2 colors. And then it's going to be a toss-up between scarlet red and crimson red. But I think we're probably going to do scarlet red. And that's going to be 3. So 3 colors. Base coat, 3 colors. The name of this bait, My Bloody Valentine. So let's get started. And we're going to be painting this on a jerk bait. Let's heat set this quickly, and then we're going to do a second coat. All right. That is looking good. Make sure it's nice and straight for the second part. Okay, so base coat is done. Now, the first out of the 3 colors we're going to use is going to be the pearl white. And this is going to get sprayed over top of the entire bait. So I don't know if you can see that or not, but that pearl went on there. One thing I've definitely noticed when spraying the pearl is, again, this stuff's, I don't thin any of my paints. So far I haven't had the need to, but I definitely noticed with the pearlized colors from Koreatex that they are pretty thin to begin with, so they spray extremely well and extremely fast. The second color we're gonna load up is gonna be, let's give this a quick shake, just the straight black. So with this black, we're going to do the nose of the bait, and then we're going to just run some black along the entire back. Do a little bit more on this side. Okay, that's perfect. Let's just take a quick look again. So that's exactly what we want. Okay, now we're gonna just run down the entire length of the back here. Okay, let's just take a quick look. Just want to make sure it's obviously uniform. It looks like it is. It kind of, sometimes it can be hard to tell. It's a little bit tricky, but I'm quite happy with that. Okay, we'll get the airbrush cleaned out. So that's 2 colors so far on this bait. Now we're going to do the third color. We're going to do the scarlet red. Scarlet red, color number 3. So before we do anything else, we're going to just, like we did with the back, we're going to do the belly of the bait. And the belly of the bait is going to be one solid color, just like the back was done with the black. And before we proceed, we're going to just heat set this quickly. Okay, now comes the fun part. We are going to use a stencil. So something like that. Okay, let's just take a quick look. All right. That's exactly the effect and the look that we were after. Now we just got to throw some eyes on it. And for this, we're going to just use some basic black eyes with the silver around. And what you can do, if you got, like, I've got a very, this is not the easiest thing in the world for me to do, unfortunately. I've got very shaky hands. And I thought I would try to do the X-Acto knife, because I see everybody else do it and they make it look so easy, but unfortunately that doesn't seem to be the case, so I may just end up resorting back to the tweezers that I've been using. Okay, there's one eye done. There we go. All right, guys. So, like I said, this is going to be a little mini, like four or five part series. It just depends on what I can kind of come up with that, again, meets the criteria. So the criteria for these next couple of videos for painting jerkbaits is going to be 3 colors or less. And we are keeping it 3 colors and less because, again, when you're first starting out, just like myself, you don't have every color under the sun. So you got to kind of make do with what you have. And the second criteria is, now this is just my own criteria, but I need to come up with some sort of a name. So this one we're going to call My Bloody Valentine. And again, it's kind of fitting since Valentine's Day took place last week. Yes, the video is a little bit late, but better late than never. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Till next time, bye.